Hello guys and welcome back to Angie's Table, and today we're going to be doing something a little different and we're going to be doing a cookbang. Today we're going to be making Soondubu Ramen, and I came across this when I was watching I Live Alone, which is naonjosanda, that is broadcasted in Korea, and I've been watching naonjosanda for I don't know how many years by now, but it's like a Friday tradition for me. And ShiNee's Key actually made this ramen and made it go viral once again in Korea, and he usually uses Yeol Ramen, but I kind of wanted to know, like, why does it have to be Yeol Ramen? Like, does it taste just that much better? So we're going to be doing a comparison between Yeol Ramen and Shin Ramen. We're going to be making this together, talking, and doing a mukbang too. So let's go and check out the ingredients. So we're gonna add 500 mils of water to our pot and get it to a boil first. I already pre-cut up some green onions, and he also adds like extra red peppers. That's really spicy, and he has a lot of black pepper. He adds a lot of black pepper. The recipe calls for half a Soondubu packet for each ramen, so we're gonna be using all of it today. Are you guys the type of person that adds the noodle in first, or adds the soup and the veggies in first, or does it have to be like veggie first and then the ramen and then the soup? Or, you know, people get into fights because of this. Couples will get into fights because of how they cook ramen. I personally just add everything in. Once the water boils, noodles, they're all going in, and then I really like to add an egg to it at the end. Sometimes if I don't feel like being extra fancy, my favorite thing is to add some freshly chopped garlic with perilla leaves. Oh my god, it is so good. But we're just gonna go ahead right now and add in, this has come to a boil, so we're gonna add in our sauce and veggies and just throw all that in there, and then we're gonna add in our Soondubu next. Oh my god, it's so hot. Okay, I'm gonna cut this in half. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. No. Half of this in. I'm just gonna make like small breaks in this, like that. Let's add a touch of black pepper, good amount of this green onion, and a little bit more red pepper on top. Wow. That's beautiful. Okay. Don't know how I'm gonna do this without spilling things over. Wow. Grace, have some with me. Whoa. It's good. Do you like the tofu?
Wow. Yeah, I love the tofu actually.
Did you croak?
Sorry. Right,
The tofu's so good.
I never understood people that got ramen instead of rice.
The tofu's so good in here. Dang, girl. Slurping it up.
I haven't had Shin Ramen in a long time. So good. That's how good it was.
To me, personally, Shin Ramen's a little too strong. I like Shin Ramen mild.
For spicy Shin.
Actually, Grace has introduced me to Shin Light, and it's not like calories are cut in half, but it's a lot less, and it's a lot less saltier, because I feel like Shin Ramen of all the ramen has like the strongest flavors.
I think it's because of the black pepper. There's a lot of black pepper in it. Here, should I show them the Shin Light? That's what it looks like.
Okay, what's the calorie count on it, Grace?
So this one is 340 calories for the whole bag. The good thing about this package of noodle is that the noodles are actually not fried, they're air fried.
So it's healthier. Love the tofu.
Yeah, I really like the tofu.
In Chicago, we have a place called Sogongdong where they sell Soondubu. This, and I always get the rice and the Soondubu, but some people like to add ramen in it. And yeah, like Grace said earlier, we get it. We get why. I don't know why the Soondubu is so good in here. I totally get why people are having this in Korea.
I don't even really like tofu that much, but this is
We're gonna work on our Yeol Ramen, which I'm very excited for. And for this time around, we actually have, what do we have? Oh, white rice to have it with it. Cause when I was younger, I can't multitask. Yeah, we used to eat ramen, and with the leftover soup base, we would add cold white rice to it and ate all of it. And I don't know how I did that because now I struggle to eat ramen and even have 국물. I'm done. I'm like so full. And back then, obviously, like my metabolism really slowed down now. I just turned 30, and on my birthday, I didn't want
any of my friends to contact me. I was like, it is not a dance celebration. I just want to be alone. No one talked to me.
And yeah, I wasn't really that happy.
You're acting like Rachel.
Oh, from Friends? That's really weird. So in our friend group, we all named and coined each person a cast from Friends, and Grace was Rachel because she liked shopping, and
That's also like my personality.
what
I'm
like
also like a pushover, like Rachel. She can't really stand up for herself.
yeah,
And
when
she
we were
was,
younger.
the Monica.
I know what I want. I need everything organized. I love cooking and
Control freak. Like Monica.
okay, hold on. I'm not a control
And
freak.
she always has to be right.
It's not that I think the water's gonna boil soon. It's not. It's not gonna boil.
Still hurts.
Cause it's so spicy.
I don't know, but my like lips are numb.
Did you have like mala or something for your nips to go numb?
Did you say nips? Excuse me? You're dumb.
Starting to boil, so let's go ahead and add in all our sauces and our noodles. This looks like the same veggies as Shin Ramen. Ta-da! Oh my god, here we go. Hot. Oh, there's nothing.
Yeol means heat.
Yes. And a new Korean word every day on Angie's table. And that's something that we can oh my god, Grace, should we do it where you learn a new Korean word every day on Angie's table? Why are you rolling your eyes? I think it's a great idea. Okay, we're gonna do it. This is the thing starting today's episode. Okay, it doesn't make sense if we're doing our home decor videos or a vlog, then I'm like, okay, word of the day. Like, that doesn't really make sense, but on our cooking ones at least, we are gonna keep our promise and we're gonna do a word of the day related to whatever we talk about or related to the food. So today is gonna be yeol. And yeol, which is like in huge writings right there on the ramen, is heat, like Grace said. So when you are running a fever, you'll be like,
oh, 열난다.
so now when you guys are next in Korea and feel sick and then you go to the hospital and you're like, yeol. I think they'll understand. What else can I say in a sentence with yeol? Okay, let's go ahead and add our green onions in, but yes, word of the day was yeol. 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 Heat. Oh, okay, that's good. Mash up that.
Are you not gonna have the tube?
Oh my god, I totally forgot. Okay, it's okay, guys.
Is it okay?
I'm gonna add it right there. Then I forgot this. Leave it like that. Right? Oops. Oops. Okay, let's take a look at this. Mmm.
Is it better?
I get why they say Yeol Ramen. It just tastes so much better. Right? It's not as like strong.
It tastes more like Soondubu broth than the Shin Ramen.
It actually does. Yeah.
Oh, I like this.
Let me try Soondubu. This is so much better.
Yeah, I agree.
I know, I feel like your style is adding hot peppers to this.
It's spicy though at the end.
Yeah, I mean, it's Yeol Ramen, right?
Do you want rice?
Just to give some kind of cool updates about Grace, she actually started getting into reading. I think she did it so that she can seem a little smarter than she actually is.
Hey.
So she has a Kindle. When I was younger, I really liked reading too, but I kind of just strayed away from it for a while. And I want to get back into it. Grace has read how many books right now?
I am my third book.
In 2 weeks. Like within 2 weeks. And I was very proud of her actually. I didn't think she would do it. So I think a good way to get back into reading is by reading themes that you guys like. I mean, this is like obvious, you know, obviously. Grace and I really like crime and thriller. We're into true crime. We listen to podcasts about it. I watch documentaries and like Netflix shows about it. We're like really into it. Look at this. Tastes good. Grace has been really reading into crime type books, which kind of like sparked her interest. Like that's what got you going to reading the second book and then the third book. Now she's reading a book called Pachinko, and it's about the Korean and Japanese war time, right? And a story about a family during that time. Is it based off of a true story or?
I don't think so. I think it's fictional. And it actually feels like a Korean drama.
Oh really?
So I was summarizing it to Kevin. Like, it sounds like a Korean drama.
Someone dies and then there's like a
death,
a poor
there's-
girl and then wanting to marry
Yeah,
a
yeah.
rich boy, and then
Not
there's like another poor guy, and then there's a love triangle, and then some like loses sight so they give him an eye.
No, that's not. It's not cliche. But it's cliche to some degree, but it's pretty good.
Do they have one of those things where the guy's mom, the rich guy's mom's like, and they throw water?
What?
That's like Korean drama, like top of here.
This is 30s to 40s. Ew.
It actually didn't sound that cool. I'll try to be like those cool mukbangers who are like, they're like so good at slurping. I have no idea. I usually don't slurp. I'm just doing it for you guys. But I don't think they want me to slurp anymore. Let me show you guys the normal way I eat. Ah! Sorry. I normally eat like this, everyone. And then I add a kimchi. And this is how I eat. Very clean and proper.
That's the person opening your mouth.
So now we're gonna come to an end, and we did want to leave you guys a question, and we wanted you guys to comment below. We want to know what other topics are you guys interested in learning about us, or like what questions do you guys have for us. We want a personal relationship with you guys, so if you guys have any questions, or seriously, if you have any suggestions on further videos, please comment below and we will be happy to follow through with it. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please try this Soondubu Ramen out, and we'll see you guys on our next video.